We are very happy today to show you the future of the premium sedan in the shape of the new Volvo S90. And our intention is to offer something fresh and distinct, at the same time returning to our core values, offering the right car in the right time. Volvo Cars has developed two new product architectures designed from ground up with electrification in mind. So our approach to electrification with our new twin engines and our planned pure electric cars is based on our long experience within this area. The new S90 will of course also come in a twin engine version, as will every new car we launch in the coming 4 years. And now I'm sure you want to know more about the new S90, the car for people who love cars, have driven everything and still want something unique, reliable and a bit contrarian. And now let's listen to the head of R&D, Peter Mertens. Thank you.
We do things different at Volvo, and we always have. The secret behind our success is our scalable and super modular architecture, SPA. And this architecture enables us to put plug-in hybrid electrification in all our cars. With that, you actually have 3 cars in one. It's pure, it's hybrid, and it's power. When I joined Volvo Cars 5 years ago, one of the commitments I made was improving driving dynamics. And for Volvo that means the perfect combination of drivability, handling and performance. And we do that by investing heavily into simulation equipment and latest and greatest technology inside of the car. Volvo Cars is the leader in automotive safety, and we are launching with the S90 2 world-first active safety features. It is large animal detection and it is run-off road mitigation. With all the active safety systems and sensors we have, the S90 is not only the safest car in its segment, we are also offering semi-autonomous drive. We take pilot assist or traffic jam assist up to speeds to 130 km/h. No one can deliver autonomous drive as safe as Volvo does. We've looked under the skin of the S90, and now it's about time to hand it over to Thomas.
23 metal blades are carved in concave shape. That's an iconic grille theme that we sourced from our great historic Volvo P1800. Right by its side you look into the eyes of Thor's hammer. Thor's hammer can give you direction, and it is a powerful, intelligent light source. The LED high beam reflectors are positioned above and beneath the DRL, so allowing the light signature to sit right in the center. Volvo's new face is confident, it's powerful, and it is proud. The silhouette stretches to a low, elegant 4-door coupe. And with the S90 we introduce our new side window graphic. We call it the final cut. You will find it on all the new Volvo sedans coming. The S90 is exceptionally well surfaced. Inside, we turned our attention to the very heart of every car interior, the dashboard. Let us look at 4 core elements. First, how has chrome been used in car interiors until today? Well, as a decorative frame, the more, the better. Want to be premium? Add chrome frames. Now the S90 has a chrome spine, It is one beautiful three-dimensional spine with gorgeous dynamics. Accelerating, twisting, changing tempo from andante to allegro and back to adagio. It is the backbone of the structure. It carries the unit and holds the elements together. Element number 2, the air blade. The vertical orientation of the air blade builds a perfect unit of climate and control. The detailing is superb with a diamond cut structure on the rotary. At Volvo we always try to create a delightful experience when you operate a function. Element number 3, the center step touch screen. With the ingenious 4-tile system, 4 major functions, 4 defined tiles. Navigation, phone, media and climate. When you touch one of them, the tile expands while the other compresses. And that way you always have direct access to every function. Finally, the 4th element, wood. Natural, substantial, rich. A 3-dimensional panel that has volume and depth. Soft full radius on the top and a precise sharp edge running across the full length, embedded between the air blades, framed and supported by the chrome spine. It all comes together and interlocks tightly. It's a perfect match. Driving to the opera. You booked a table for 4 at Noma. Coming back from the airport. Well, enjoy the ambience of soft light, natural materials, superbly finished details, and sparkling crystal glass. Welcome to the S90. Welcome home to Volvo. When we start shipping, the S90 will be available in electric silver, Nordic sand, Charlie Brown, Midsummer Night, Dynamite Blue, and Snow White. So this is the new S90, the most beautiful and innovative sedan Volvo has ever made.